will not be in kickboxing. I will be in karate. So sorry. It's Vlog Commentary Season 2, Episode 6. Season 2, Episode 6. I will not be in kickboxing. They don't have kickboxing around this place, so I did karate. And I will be and I'm doing karate this week on Wednesday. And let's talk about Steven. Steven! What can I say? What can I say? What can I say? I'm gonna give you a piece of my mind. Let's see how you like it. Excuse me for a second. I made you many times. Many times. You keep after I'm done with the outro, you always keep popping up. Terry the Blue Send, Terry out. And then after that, Terry! Terry! So I got nothing else to talk about. I have to work on the RTS stage. Sorry about that. I got nothing. So I'm working on RTS stage. I'm working on Cars Competition Show stage. So peace out. Steven, your turn, okay? Pop up! Terry the Blue Sand. Terry out. 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 Okay, enough of this. I'm not done. Terry the Blue Sand. Terry in. Come out, Steven. Come out. We are waiting for you. You saw like a potato. Terry the Blue Sand. Terry out. Come out, Steven. We're waiting for you. We are waiting for you. We are here. Your squeaky voice. I'm here! I'm here! Oh, finally. Great, now I can take the black stuff off. Nobody's not going to see my true face. So, Terry. What? You are a biscuit. Crap! Well, let's see how you like it. Why did you stop then? I'm tired of you. Well, then do something. This rivalry ain't over until the special event 5. And the special event 5 will be at the anniversary of celebrating Beatdown Showdown, which is a special event. You're welcome. See you at special event 4. Peace. What the flipjacks? Here, have some of this!